everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Trust Wallet. So let's start with the first step, which is to launch Coinbase on your phone and then sign in. So from your portfolio home screen, you locate the crypto that you want to transfer. So that could be Ethereum, Bitcoin, USDC, and etc. So just tap at the bottom the send and receive it tab. Or you can also open the asset and tap the send arrow. Next step is on the send crypto screen, select the asset that you want to send. So here we use the Ethereum. So enter the amount in crypto or USD and tap on max if you want to send everything. But remember to leave a tiny bit or a buffer for network fees. So just leave the two field empty for now. Next step is copy your Trust Wallet address. So you have to switch the Trust Wallet application on the same phone and tap the receive, then choose the exact same coin and network that you're sending from Coinbase. So Ethereum on Ethereum network in this example. So just tap on the copy to copy the long wallet address, or you can even scan the QR code from Coinbase. Sending on the wrong network will lose your funds. So you just have to take note on that one. Next step is go back to Coinbase and paste the Trust Wallet address into the to field. Now you have to make sure to double check the first and the last four characters match exactly. So just tap on the continue and then review the amount, which is USD, the value, the destination, the network, and the network fee. Then after that, just swipe send now to confirm. Lastly, the fund will arrive in the Trust Wallet, and within a few minutes, depending on the network congestion, you will see the incoming transaction marked confirm with green check mark. So tap on the transaction to view the hash and verify this on Etherscan if you like. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!